Welcome to day 13 of 30 days AI Automation Masterclass. Up until now, we have been building bots that you type to. Today, we are building an AI voice agent that you can actually talk to and it performs your specific tasks. We will be using 11 labs for ultra realistic AI voices and n8n as the handle that actually performs the actions in your Google Sheet and Gmail account. Okay, so first of all, if you don't know what is 11 Labs, 11 Labs is a voice generation platform which basically converts text to audio and also have functionalities like voice changer, voice isolator, sound effects, and it also clone your own voice so you don't have to speak and active every time. So first of all, you have to click on this and then click on 11 agents. Okay, so here you have three options. So you can create a black agent from scratch and personal assistant or a business agent. So let me get through you all of these three. So if you select on business agent, it will basically have some sort of predefined prompts and predefined instructions to perform this specific task. Like if we select finance and banking and any other niche, then it is going to have the similar functionalities and basic understanding of the specific niche. Write the agent name. Our agent is going to do, for example, sales, and then if you click on create agent. Okay, so here you can see our agent is ready, and this is its voice, and this is the system prompt. Basically, this is the system prompt that is predefined for this specific kind of agents. So let's get back and see what personal AI assistant is going to do. So click on new agent, click on personal assistant. Okay, so if you want to use the personal assistant, you can choose any of these like task management or creative helper, but we are going to create a black agent from scratch. So we are going to name it as uh, email sender and then click on create agent. So here you have to write an system prompt. I have created an system prompt and I will share you in the comment section or in an Google document in the description so you can access it. So when we are going to speak to our AI agent that send an email to this person or write this email to this person, and it is going to do the task, pick the email and name from the Google Sheet and then send it to Gmail and then send it to the receiver through the Gmail. Okay, so after that, let me show you the settings. Here you can create workflow. Here is the knowledge base. You can add documents for your AI voice agent like your business documents. After that, you can click on analysis. Here you can see what your AI agent is doing. Then we have tools. Here you can add multiple tools and like transfer to number, transfer to agent. Then we have widget, security and advanced. Okay, so after that we are going to click on publish and click on publish. So our agent is published basically. So going back to agent screen, so you can see our email sender AI voice agent is ready. After that we have to click on tools and then you have to click on add webhook tool. Basically the webhook is going to connect your n8n with 11 labs. So name this webhook like assistant and personal assistant. After that you have to select the post method, and for the URL you have to go back to your n8n screen. Here you have to select the webhook. So here you have to select this post method. After that you have to click this and click write n8n so that this URL becomes shorter. And in this font you have to write using this font to webhook node. Okay, so then click on copy and go back to 11 labs, click on paste. Okay, so here in the properties for the string you can write description. This is going to send emails on my behalf. After that, for the string you can write to. For the description you have to write to the person sending the email. Okay, so after that you have to add another property and an identifier. You have to write email content, and in the description you have to write the content or body of the email. So dragging down, so all of this both is the required, and then click on add tool. Okay, so our tool is successfully added. Okay, so after that you have to go back to your agent, and after that you have to click on tools and then click on add tool and select this assistant tool and then publish again. Okay, so after that you have to go back to your n8n and close this one, select plus and click on AI and select the AI agent. Okay, so in this AI agent, click on add option, click on system message. So here you have to write the system prompt for this AI agent. Okay, so you have to paste the system prompt here, and the more detailed your system prompt is going to be, the more efficient your AI agent is going to perform. Okay, so after that you have to close this, and for the chat model you can use any chat model like Gemini on OpenAI. I am going to use OpenAI, and once you log in n8n for the first time you are going to get the n8n free Open API credits. So select this and then you can select the model. Okay, so I'm closing this. Okay, so after adding our chat model, we have to create an Google Sheet in which we have name, email and phone number, and basically our AI agent is going to pick up the data from here and then send mail. So we are going to tell our AI agent that send this mail to John or Javed or Jack, and then it is going to pick up email and then send an email for the specific for the defined topic and send it to the receiver. So going back to our n8n AI agent, here we have to add the Google Sheet as a tool. So search Google Sheets and select this. Okay, so here you have to connect your credentials. You have to simply sign in with your Google account, and here you have to select the document, click on choose, select my contacts from, and sheet number is going to be sheet 1. Select this. You can name your tools here like my contacts. Okay, so after that we have to close this and add another tool which is basically our Gmail. So select Gmail and Gmail tool. Here it is going to send the message. So you have to connect your Gmail account here also. Okay, so here you have to write an expression. Select this expression and close this brackets, and here you have to write order from AI, and here you have to write email address in the inverted columns. So this and okay, so it is going to pick the email address from your input data and then going to send the mail. And for the message it is also going to be expression, and let me copy this, paste it here, and it is going to be email content. So close this one. Okay, so after that you have to close this and add here an webhook and here respond to webhook. Okay, so you have to close this, and now to get the data we have to execute this workflow. Click on execute workflow and get back to your ElevenLabs and back here. Okay, so here you have to come back on agent and here you have to click on preview. Okay, so select this, allow this.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Send an email to Javed regarding the upcoming tech event in New York.
I've sent an email to Javed regarding the upcoming tech event in New York. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. Okay, so we are going back in our AI agent. Okay, so you can see our workflow is executed, but we have an error here. You have to define the user message. Here you have to click on define below and you have to write here. So here you have to write email uh, to and then email content. Okay, so we have to close this and let's execute this and see how it works. Okay, so you can see our workflow till Google Sheets is executed, and for the Gmail we can. Okay, so for the subject we are going to pick the subject from this email content and write here. For the subject we are going to write AI assistant. You can change it according to your this email content subject, and after that we are going to check our Gmail account that we have received the email or not. Okay, so you can see we have received the email from our AI agent that the tech event in New York and dash dash dash. So coming back to our AI agent,
Oh, how can I help you today?
okay, write an email to Javed regarding upcoming soccer match in Madrid.
So, you'd like me to send an email to Javed about the upcoming soccer match in Madrid. Is that right?
Yes. Okay, so you can see our AI agent have successfully sent the email. Coming back to here, click on inbox. So you can see email from AI assistant and here our AI agent have successfully sent the email. Okay, so this is all for day 11 of 30 days AI Automation Masterclass. So for today, you have to create this AI agent, test different voice, test different voice actors, and write multiple emails. Tomorrow, we are going to see how we can scale this AI agent and test it in other multiple domains. So this is all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.